Hello students, we are studying here chapter number 2, fractions, and in this chapter we have seen in previous class the fractions and type of fraction. The definition of fraction is: a fraction is a number representing a part of whole. The whole can be a single object or a group of objects. For example, 3/7, 4/9, etc. And in the type of fraction, first fraction is a proper fraction. So, if the numerator is smaller than the denominator, this fraction is known as proper fraction. Second is improper fraction. If its numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator, this fraction is called improper fraction. Next is mixed fraction. A fraction with the whole number and the proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. Next is fraction in the lowest form. A fraction is said to be in lowest term if it is numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. And next is equivalent fraction. A fraction are said to be equivalent if their lowest term are equal. For example, 1/2 is equal to 2/4 is equal to 3/6 is equal to 12/24, etc. Next is a like fraction. A fraction said to be like fraction if they have same denominator. Then unlike fraction. A fraction with the different denominators are called unlike fractions. So students, in today's class we will see to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. We have learned this topic in previous class. So let's see. Multiply the denominator of the fraction with the whole number and add the numerator to it, keeping the denominator same. For example, 2 and 3/5. This is a mixed fraction. Now we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So first of all, we put as a numerator 2 into 5 plus 3. We multiply the whole number with the denominator and it add with the numerator upon 5 as it is. Is equal to 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13. So the fraction, improper fraction will be 13/5. Next is to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Divide the numerator by the denominator and write the quotient as the whole number and the remainder as the new numerator. So for example, 27/7. So first upon we will divide 27 by the 7. 7 3s are 21. So 3 is quotient and remains 6 as a numerator and put denominator as it is 7. Next is to obtain an equivalent fraction of a given fraction. Multiply or divide the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by the same non-zero number. For example, 3/5. We have to find out the equivalent fraction of 3/5. So for this we multiply the same number. Any number you can take. So we will take here 2. So first upon we will multiply 2 in numerator, that is 3. So we will write in numerator 3 into 2 upon denominator 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 3 2s are 6 upon 5 2s are 10. Therefore 3/5 and 6/10 are equivalent fractions. So convert the following into a improper fraction. We will see the point A, 9 and 1/5. So solution of 9 and 1/5. First upon we multiply 9 with 5 and add 1. So 9 multiplied by 5 plus 1/5 as it is we will put, and in next step is equal to 9 5s are 45 plus 1/5, and the 45 plus 1 is equal to 46/5. This is the solution of converting the fractions into improper fractions. Same it is for B. 3 and 2 upon 7 is equal to 3 will multiply with the 7. 3 into 7 plus 2. 3 into 7 or 7 into 3 plus 2 upon 7 is equal to 3 sevens are 21 plus 2 upon 7 is equal to 21 plus 2 is equal to 23 upon 7. And the second, convert the following into mixed fraction. The first one is 7 upon 3. This is the which fraction? Improper fraction. Now we have to convert this into mixed fraction. So first upon, so in solution 7 upon 3 on dividing 7 by 3. On dividing this is 7 by 3 as 7 upon 3. So we will get the quotients. 3 2s are 6 and remainder 1 and divisor is 3. So rule is quotient and remainder upon divisor. The quotient we got a quotient 2 and remainder 1 we will put here as a numerator remainder and the divisor is 3. This is a denominator. Like that you have to solve, students. Okay.